Namaste. This is Geetha and I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to learn how yoga can help in having a healthy hair and practice some yogic postures for the same. Please watch the video till the end and try to practice regularly, keeping all the points in mind so that you can see the results. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the reasons for excessive hair fall. On an average, on daily basis, it's very normal to shed 50 to 100 hairs because hair generally undergoes various phases and shedding phase is one of them. But if the hair fall is too much more than this, then it is excessive hair fall and needs some attention. There are various reasons for this excessive hair fall. External factors like usage of harsh chemicals or heating on the hair, pollution, some medication, or eating wrong type of food. There are also many internal factors like stress, hormonal imbalance, lack of blood circulation to the head region, etc. We can try and control few external factors like avoiding too much harsh chemicals and avoiding too much hairstyling using the heat. For the control of internal factors like stress or blood circulation, yoga can play a great role and promote the hair growth. Especially inverted postures are very good for the hair as they provide good amount of blood circulation to the head region. Today we will practice some important yoga asanas which will improve the blood circulation to the head region, reduce the stress levels and also remove toxins from the body. Now let's get started. Come to the position where your legs are stretched in front of you. We will start with tiger breathing. For that first we will get into Vajrasana. Fold your right leg, place your right heel under the right buttock, fold the left leg, place the left heel under the left buttock. This is Vajrasana. Now apart your knees, take one forearm distance including the palms in between the knees. One forearm distance, and in front of the knees also one forearm distance, and then walk one more palm forward. Now come up. This is how we get into tiger position or tabletop position. We will go for tiger breathing for few rounds. Inhale, sink your back, look up. Exhale, nicely round your spine, bring your chin closer to the chest, how much ever you can. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round the spine. Draw your navel inside. Inhale, up. Sink your back nicely. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now with inhalation, make your back straight. From here, tuck your toes, lift your knees and get into down dog or Parvatasana. Keep your feet hip width apart. Your fingers are wide open so that you get the good grip with your palms. If you are unable to place your heels down, it's fine. You can stay like this or you can place your heels down. It's okay if your knees are slightly bent, but make sure that your spine is lengthened, your back is straight. Do not round your back, keep it straight. Hold this position. Look at your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, place your right foot forward in between the palms and then place your left foot also forward in between the palms. Your feet slightly apart, not too much apart, less than hip width apart. Now catch your opposite elbows, bring your biceps in line with the ears. Let your upper body hang freely. It's okay if your knees are slightly bent. Uttanasana, hold this position. Relax your upper body completely. Keep taking deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Here also try to keep your spine lengthened. 4 and 5. Slowly place your palms besides your feet. Sit back in Vajrasana. Back to Vajrasana. Your palms on your thighs. We will stay in Vajrasana for 5 to 6 deep breaths. Vajrasana removes the toxins from the digestive system. In this pose, close your eyes. Keep your back absolutely straight. Take deep breaths. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now gently open your eyes. Okay, now from Vajrasana we will get into Shashankasana. For that, just extend your hands forward, slide your palms forward. First your abdomen touches the thigh, then chest touches the knee, and then if possible, place your forehead on the mat. Relax here. Observe all the changes. Take deep breaths. Now slowly take your hands back. With inhalation, come back to Vajrasana. Now we will go for the next asana. Lie down on your back. Okay. Now we will practice Viparita Karani. First, raise both the legs up to 90 degree. Try to keep them straight and raise. Now, take the support from your elbows. Raise your buttocks up above the mat and support your buttocks using your palms. Raise your legs up. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With the support to your buttocks, slowly release. Slowly try to place your buttocks down and then release your legs. Try not to lift your head. Now we will go for the last asana, Matsyasana. Keep both the legs together and straight. Now take the support of your elbows. Place your forearms completely down. Take the nice support from your elbows and raise your head and chest up. Place the crown on the mat. Open your chest nicely. Have a good grip of both the forearms. hold the position. This is Matsyasana. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, softly release. Now relax for a while in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands away from the body, palms facing the roof. Take few breaths and relax. Slowly join your legs together, hands besides the body. Gently take a turn to the right side and slowly come up. Okay, now we will go for the practice of Kapalabhati and Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama to remove the toxins from the body and reduce the stress levels. Let us start with Kapalabhati. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. If you are comfortable, sit in Padmasana. Otherwise, you can go back to the previous posture, Sukhasana. We will start with Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati practices active exhalation and passive inhalation. First, we are going to deeply inhale and start exhaling, contracting the abdomen. In between the exhalations, we are not actively inhaling, it's happening passively. I'll just show once, then you can practice along with me. First, inhale deeply and start exhaling now, contracting the abdomen. Like this as much as you can. Try not to hold your facial muscles tight or try not to raise your shoulders up and down. Keep your shoulders, body and the face completely relaxed. Now we will start. Palms on your thighs. Inhale, take a deep breath. Start exhaling. Slow down and slowly stop the practice. Try to observe all the changes. There is an automatic retention of inhalation and exhalation. Try to feel that at least for 1-2 seconds. Let the breathing start on its own. Gently open your eyes. Now we will go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This calms down the mind, reduces all the stress levels. Okay, now adopt Chin Mudra with left hand. Tip of the thumb and index finger touching each other and the back of the palm is resting on your thighs. With the right hand, we are adopting Nasika Mudra. The index and the center fingers are folded, other fingers are up. We are using the thumb to cover the right nostril and we will use the ring finger to cover the left nostril. Now just close your eyes. Follow my instructions. Let's begin the practice. Cover the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover right. Exhale through the left. This completes one round. Second round. Inhale through the left. Cover left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover right. Exhale through the left. Now practice on your own for 3 to 4 rounds. Keep the exhalation always longer than inhalation. Take slow and deep breaths. Keep your whole body relaxed as you practice. As you exhale through the left, slowly stop the practice. Release the mudra. Relax. The mind is calmed down. There is no stress or tension inside your mind. Now gently rub your palms. Cup your eyes and feel the warmth around your eyes. Now with few blinks, open your eyes and look into your palms. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. The asanas which we practice today will help in controlling the internal factors like stress level, blood circulation, etc. But we also need to put our conscious effort and try not to put anything junk or unhealthy from the outside. So try to avoid harsh chemicals on your hair, eat healthy food, include a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet, and most importantly, always stay happy. Then the hair will definitely become strong and healthy. If you feel that today's video is helpful for you, please share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to make more such videos. I will meet you with a new video. Take care, stay happy and healthy. Namaste.